Local news for Wednesday, the 16th of September. More mental health and addiction services are available for young people in Wairarapa from next month, according to Health Minister Chris Hipkins and Associate Health Minister Julianne Genter. The ages of 12 to 24 are a rapid change and development, and that's when people are at the highest risk for the onset of mental health problems and psychological distress. Mr Hipkins says it's critical young people have a broad range of support they can access that is youth-friendly and reflects their specific needs. Opaki water race users are putting their hopes on the Wakamokuia scheme getting the green light. The scheme, all going well, will be operational by 2026. The proposed reservoir is located northwest of Masterton and is expected to have a capacity of around 19 billion litres of water. The users are asking the council to hold off closing the Opaki race until the scheme is operational. And fire and emergency were again flat out yesterday with multiple wind-related call-outs. Carterton had 6 call-outs at least on Monday in the space of only a few hours, while Masterton received multiple call-outs yesterday, including 4 within 45 minutes. Election hoardings were blown around and multiple power outages were recorded, including a lightning strike on a power equipment in Ikanahuna. And in sport, the Wairarapa Secondary School's first 15 finals are on tonight. Makolda will take on Rathkeil second 15 at 4 p.m, while the Rathkeil first 15 will play Hutt International at 5:30. For local news and sports, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.